Welcome back to How to Create a Job Board with Formidable Forms. In the last video, we learned how to make it so job seekers can favorite the jobs that most appeal to them so that they could have a nice page where they can easily find the jobs they want to apply to. And now it's time to make it so that they can apply to those jobs. In this video, we're going to create a job application form with a dynamic field that will automatically route the email to the job poster. So let's get started. We're going to go to Forms and then Forms. And now we're going to use that template that we looked at in an earlier video. So we'll click on Templates and Create Form from Template under Job Application. This form is basically already built for us, but there's one field that we need to add, and that's a dynamic field to associate this form with the job posting. So we're going to click Dynamic and drop down. And then we're going to load options from form entries. We're going to select job posting as the form, and we're going to choose job title as the field. We're going to make this required and read only. We don't want the user to change the title of this field. We do, however, want them to be able to see this entry so that they know which job they're applying to. In that same vein, we're going to add the job title as the label so that users don't just see the word dynamic. And we're going to add that same dynamic default value that we did in the previous video. Get param equals entry. This will grab the ID from the URL so that it knows what data we're dealing with. Now we'll click Create Form. We can leave all of the general settings the same, but we do need to change the email notification form action. So here, we're going to need to make some modifications to the notification. First, we don't want this going to the admin email. We want it going to the email address associated with the job posting. If we scroll down, you'll see our dynamic field adds all of the fields from the associated form. So we can scroll down to email, make sure the to field is selected, and click email. And now this is going to the correct email address. When setting up our email address, we want to make sure that the from email address is from a trusted source. This is to reduce the problems in deliverability, like emails going to spam and things like that. So we're going to keep this as the admin email of the site. Again, you'll want to make sure that under Settings General, the admin email is properly set. Under the Reply To field, we can set this information to the job applicant, and that's what we're going to do. So we'll click on Name, we'll add a space, and we'll click on Last, and then we'll add the brackets here, and we'll put the email address in between them. That way, the source of the email is trusted, but if the job poster wants to respond to the job applicant, they can still do that. For the subject, we're going to call that job application 4, and then we're going to grab the job title. That way, the job poster knows exactly what this email is for. With that, we'll click Update, and our email notification is set. The last thing we need to do is add this form to the job posting view. So we'll click on Views, go to Job Listings, and we'll go to the Detail page. At the bottom of the Detail page, we'll add a horizontal line, and then we'll add a heading, Apply for this job. Then we'll use the Formidable Forms shortcode to add the job application form onto the page. Perfect. Now we'll click Update, and we'll go back to the front end. We can click on any one of these. We'll choose Copywriter at Apple. If we scroll down now, we have an area where we can fill out this form. So we will do that. We'll click submit, and now our job application has been submitted. So just to make sure that everything has been submitted properly, we're going to check our email client. So if we take a look at the last email that we got here, job application for copywriter, it went to the job poster, which is a test email I have set up, and it has all the information that the applicant filled out. So that's it for this video. In it, we learned how to add a dynamic field to our job application form in order to dynamically route applications to the job poster's email. In the next video, we're going to make it so that the job poster can see applications with comments and notes.